Welcome. In this video, I will show you where the microphones are located in your MacBook Air M5. So, having my MacBooks sealed fully, I cannot show you the exact location. However, the microphone array is located right above your keyboard, so right here at the top of your keyboard, basically, and basically they are located beneath it, yeah, so there are no holes, there are no outputs for the microphones. The microphones are sealed deep into the laptop's surface, and they are located pretty much in this area, so at the top side of your device's keyboard. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.